Connecting a soundbar to your Xbox Series X should be simple, but for many people it ends in confusion. No sound or audio still coming from the TV. The issue is that the Series X no longer has an optical audio port and relies completely on HDMI instead. Once you understand this, setting it up the right way becomes easy and actually gives you better sound quality. In this video, I'll show you the correct way to connect your soundbar so all your game audio plays exactly where it should. If this video helps you out, make sure to like it, share it with anyone dealing with the same problem, and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech fixes. Before connecting any cables, there's one thing you should check first. Make sure your TV and soundbar support HDMI, RC, or eArc. ARC stands for Audio Return Channel, and it allows your TV to send audio from devices like your Xbox back to the soundbar using a single HDMI cable. eArc works the same way, but supports higher quality audio formats like Dolby Atmos. The setup process is identical, so once you understand ARC, you're covered. It's also important to use a good HDMI cable, ideally a high-speed or ultra-high-speed cable, especially if you're gaming in 4K, since poor cables can cause audio dropouts or connection issues. If your soundbar has multiple HDMI ports, this is the easiest and most reliable setup. Connect an HDMI cable from the Xbox Series X directly into one of the HDMI input ports on the soundbar. Then connect another HDMI cable from the soundbar's HDMI output, or ARC port, to the ARC or eArc port on your TV. In this setup, the soundbar handles all the audio directly and simply passes the video signal through to the TV. This usually gives you the best sound quality with minimal delay. If your soundbar only has one HDMI port, which is very common, the setup changes slightly, but is still simple. First, connect the Xbox Series X directly to one of the HDMI inputs on your TV. If your TV has multiple ports, use one designed for higher bandwidth. Then connect an HDMI cable from the ARC or eArc port on your TV to the HDMI port on your soundbar. Here, the TV acts as the middleman, sending audio from the Xbox back to the soundbar. When ARC or eArc is working properly, this setup sounds just as good as the direct connection. For older setups where ARC or eArc isn't supported, there's still a fallback option. Connect the Xbox to the TV using HDMI as normal. Then run an optical cable from the TV's optical audio output to the soundbar's optical input. This won't support advanced formats like Dolby Atmos, but it can still deliver solid surround sound and works well with older equipment. Once the cables are connected, you just need to check the Xbox audio settings. Turn on the console, press the Xbox button, go to Settings, select General, then open Volume and Audio Output. Under Speaker Audio, choose the option that matches your setup. For basic soundbars, select Stereo Uncompressed. If your soundbar supports surround sound and you're using HDMI, ARC, or eArc, choose 5.1 uncompressed or 7.1 uncompressed. If you're using an optical connection, select Bitstream Out and then choose Dolby Digital or DTS Digital Surround. If you don't hear sound right away, double-check that your TV audio output is set to ARC or eArc. Make sure HDMI CEC is enabled and confirm the soundbar is on the correct input. Restarting the Xbox, TV, and soundbar can also reset the HDMI connection and fix most issues. Once set up, your Xbox Series X audio will sound clearer and more immersive. Subscribe for more quick tech tips and share any fixes that worked for you in the comments.